Whoa! Hello, YouTube! Oh my gosh, look at this audience is going crazy today. It is standing room only. I can't even see the back of the room. It's insane. Let's do this thing, YouTube. Black Friday special on the merch today, guys. Buy one, get one, 50% off. Just like and subscribe. Got the thumbs up. I said it right. Here we go. Talking about time today. So on the right side, I'm going to draw a clock. Okay. Your circle won't be as good as mine. I'm going to draw a line down the middle. So we're going to break this in half. On the right side of the clock, we add minutes. So I'm going to write the word E, because we're going to, kind of like we do with our numbers, we're going to say and this many minutes. So when we're talking about this side of the clock, we're talking about the minutes 1 through 30. So we're going to add 1 minute up to 30 minutes. So it might be 6 and 15, 6 and 20, etc. So to say what time is it in Spanish, we say ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? To answer, we say son las. And then whatever the hour is. So in this case, son las 8. It's 8 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. Son las, and then whatever hour it is. Son las 5. Now, here's where we're going to start adding some minutes. So it's still set up the same way. It's 7:20, so we're going to say it's 7 and 20 minutes. Son las 7. Y, and now we're adding 20. Y 20. (2:10), same idea. It's 2 o'clock and 10 minutes. Try to write that one out on your own real quick. It's 2 o'clock and 10 minutes. It's 2:10. Son las 2:10. Now, right underneath here, sometimes for some super old people say, "Oh, it's 3:15." Cuarto means like a quarter of the hour. So you might say y cuarto. If you want to write out y 15, that's fine too. Just know you might hear y cuarto. And then same thing, super old dinosaurs say, "Oh, it's 4:30." So you might hear y media, but you could also write out y 30. Just know those are there. Okay. Questions with the right side of the clock. Should be easy since we've kind of been doing it with the higher numbers. On the left side of the clock, we subtract time. So I'm going to write menos. So we're going to minus some chunks of time. So we'll minus if the minutes are between 31 and 59. So if we're going to subtract, it says we have to go up to the next hour. So if I'm looking at 4:50, the next hour is 5 o'clock. So I'm going to start with son las 5. Right there it says it's 5 o'clock. Now I need to subtract menos. I'm subtracting to get to 4:50, just 10 minutes. So menos 10. Try the next two on your own. Go up to the next hour and then subtract a certain number of minutes. So I'm looking here, 10:45. I'm going to say it's 11. Son las 11. Going up to the next hour. Minus. So you can either subtract cuarto means a quarter, or easier to say menos 15, minus 15 minutes. 11 o'clock minus 15, 10:45. It's 5:55, so the minutes are between 31 and 59, so I need to subtract. Son las 6 menos 5. Questions with this side of the clock? Okay. Another rule here. When it's 1 o'clock, we don't say son las. We say es la. So it's 1:30. Same rules apply. Es la una. My minutes are between 1 and 30, so I know I'm on this saying y 30. $12:52. My minutes are between 31 and 59, so I know I have to subtract, which means I need to say it's 1 o'clock minus 8 minutes. Es la una menos 8. One o'clock, es la. One something, that is. A few last things here to wrap it up. It's noon. Sometimes we say it's noon instead of it's 12. So es mediodía. You kind of see the word middle of the day. Medio and then dia. Es mediodía. Or you can say son las 12. It's midnight. Es media noche. Middle of the night. Media noche. That's an E there. Sorry. We'll talk about number 2 tomorrow. On the bottom here, I'm just going to write 3 last things. De la mañana would be like AM. So right now, son las 9 menos 22 de la mañana. It's 8:38 AM. De la tarde would be PM, like in the afternoon. Oh, it's 6:30 in the afternoon, etc. And then de la noche. Also PM, or you're saying at night. Questions with time? Okay, we all know we'd like to thank Apple for your sponsorship. That's why everyone in the audience today is getting a free Apple Watch 5 underneath your seats. Woo! Not very excited about it, so